Victory is so topical at this time, so timely, because while it was designed to replace the J.marion Sims sculpture and to highlight women of color and the role that they played in medical history, it also speaks to the healthcare workers who have done so much to carry us through pandemic and who are helping us to recover and to hopefully overcome COVID-19. So I'm just hoping that things go well and that the city continues to try to make the public artworks that represent people of color, because it's so important now that we be represented in art in public places, that they make that happen. So it's important to note that all around the country, municipalities are removing public artworks that represent white supremacy. Confederate artworks are coming down, and now the big question is, what goes up? New York City is already ahead of the game. They've already removed an offensive artwork. They've recited it, they've selected an artist and an artwork, and now we have to see it through to the end. It is timely, it is topical, it is imperative that victory become a reality for the city of New York.